We made it to the beach. It's still over there, waiting to get our snack. We got all scared.
Oh, watch out, Rory, watch out!
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Well, today we are heading to the beach. Look who's here with us.
Hi.
We're about to head out right now. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna go pick up Julie. She dropped off her car at the dealership, and then we're gonna head straight to the beach. So yeah, we'll see you guys once we're on the road. First time at the beach for her.
The water's so cold.
I know. Look at this one. You ready? You get to have all the fun you want now. We made it, guys. Look how pretty it is. Rocky's setting up. The weather's perfect. Julie. Look how nice it is. We finally made it to the beach. I just sprayed sunblock, so I'm a little bit glistening. Ronan's so scared of the water, he won't go in, so he's just gonna be playing with the sand here. The water, guys, it's cold, but it feels so good and refreshing. It's so nice out here. Oh my god. I don't think you put it in deep enough.
Wait, how am I supposed to clean my feet off?
In the water?
No, because when I go in the water, then my feet start.
We're gonna get some water.
Auntie, can I come too? Hey guys, let's go in the water. What Auntie tells me. These are like so good. What then? I mean, come on,
Rony, don't go too deep. But it's okay, they're sitting down. Wait for a little bit. Go in the water so you don't get cold.
Watch out then. They go off.
Swim over here.
Whoa. Hey, they stop. You got tail in the water.
Go swim with them.
Keep running. Go, keep running. No. Come on, Ronin.
Rony, you want to go swimming again?
Oh, watch out, Ronin, watch out.
Rocky made a friend.
Yeah, there's more coming. Come on, Ronin.
You don't want to swim, Uncle? He got all scared. Now he's all the way over here. Not even playing over there no more. Look at the goose. It's still over there. Waiting to get our snacks. See, it's cold when you get out and you come back in.
In and out, it's cold.
Hey guys, so right now we're at the beach already, as you can tell, and I am in our little thingy. Look at that pretty view. Look at this. Look at it. That's crazy. That is so nice. But the fact that the water is so hot. I mean, not so hot, but like so cold, right, Auntie?
Yeah.
The water is like so cold. But I love it in here because like we have snacks. We have more snacks. And we also have a mini fan, towels, and there's a goose waiting for us because he wants food. And Auntie said, make sure that you don't make the goose like come to you because then it will attack you. Because look at that goose.
Sit on right there next to Auntie.
You see that goose right there? There's another goose by Uncle Rocky. And I love it here because I just facing and it's so relaxing. And yeah, it's so nice in here. Like look at there's a little opening so you can kind of see it. But I am going to be vlogging with you guys, so come on.
Yeah.
Oh no, Uncle Rocky is coming! Granad! Sorry guys, I have to protect my brother from Uncle Ronin. You better go. Because...
Hey, you guys are taking snacks.
Auntie, can I give them a little tour?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, it's a little hut. And then, what is this called?
Just tell it.
And then we have this big thing from protecting us. And I have my hang club clothes. We have drinks, like a cooler. That's kind of like a chair. And we have stuff to put like all of our toys. So look at, we can play. And yeah, my mom we have a little layout thing right there. So our thing is like so big. Uncle!
You know, I forgot to bring the tupperware, huh? I saw the beach hat.
Ew, Uncle, why'd you put that there? But I am in here. And yeah, basically.
The beach hat was to bring a bed sheet. Yeah, how does this?
So, that's all of our tours. That's all for our tour. But I wanted to do more like a tour, but we couldn't do like a more tour because that's all we brought for real.
I thought you guys were not playing in the...
I'm getting a liquor bathroom bed. My legs is hiding up. Okay.
Why?
Look, you see it?
Okay, so I am
in
in
the water?
here with...
I don't know.
You guys are in here with me. Oh, my hair. You guys are in
Why
here.
would you go play?
With
What are you doing on the phone?
I'm vlogging
What are you worried about vlogging for?
because.
Should I get more sand?
And my mom is sunbathing.
He's so cute, babe.
I sunbathe
I'll
with my
bring
mom.
you in.
You already did.
I'm gonna bring you in again.
Hi guys.
Oh my god, Julie, we made it to the beach.
Yeah. Fun. Ah, renew passport online. Huckaboo. Huckaboo.
Where'd you go? Ronin, what is it? A what? That's what he built, guys. Two? You found two of them? What is it? Your house? Look at Rocky.
I got an emoji. Yeah, but Rona, look it. Rona, look. This is my bed. This is the trash and other stuff. And then this is my snack, which is my snack. Rona, let me turn off that. Okay, I do. I'm an emoji. Go by yourself? Yeah, emoji. God, what
The hard walk back to the car and bathroom. Heading to the bathroom, guys. But it's a journey. My feet hurt. It's such a nice day. It's not too hot. The high today is, I believe, like 77. And it's gonna be 77 from 2 to 3, which right now is 1. So it's starting to get hot, but it's okay. I'm cold because I went into the water halfway, but sadly I got swimmer's rash, so my legs are covered in rash, so I'm not gonna swim. Just gonna dip my feet. Whew, that was a workout. They're still all the way back there. We're all the way over there where our tent is. All the way there. walk all the way over here. They're so struggling. Come on, Ronin, run! He's picking up pine cone.
Just kidding. I didn't need to go.
He's like, this walk is too far. I could just hold it in.
I hate my fucking shoe. Every time I walk, one slow bit, boom, Sarah already in there.
Yeah, it's so hot.
Is it hot on the? Oh, frick, yes. No, hold on, the sidewalk. It's not hot on the sidewalk.
It's getting even more windier. Look at the... It's okay.
My butt hurts.
You got sand in your butt.
Oh,
Swim for real.
my God, that's so cold. Oh, frick, no, why'd I do that?
Just dip in and stay in until you get used to it. Dip in and stay. Wait until your body gets used to it, then you can swim. It's cold.
So cold. I thought it would be. Oh, I'm kind of getting used to it. Oh my God.
Careful.
I'm freaking out.
There's hella sand on your butt.
Yeah, heckle. I got used to it. Oh! That wave is hitting so hard.
Why is it? Oh, get up.
That was heckle big.
What are you doing? Rony, are you having fun?
Grown and blown and. Y'all fun? Yeah.
Let me grab this towel real quick.
Cleaning up, get ready to go out of the beach and go to a restaurant.
Go put your stuff on.
Okay.
Wait You need to stay in here so the tin doesn't fly away, okay?
It's not gonna fly.
Yes, it is.
Man. I put it on the stand.
You doing siren head noise?
I know that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Go ahead.
Good. Just a few. And then the sand. The sand is really hard, but
Is my sandal over there?
so yeah. It's me again.
Here's your juice.
It's dirty in the back.
Rony, you want some?
Maybe
drink it.
later.
Just drink it now. Because when we go, we need to throw it away.
So basically, I'm just eating grapes, drinking a Capri Sun.
You still order in the trash.
We're getting ready to leave.
Yeah, it's good.
So yeah, it's really sad.
You get the trash bag? I know. Throw it all in the trash bag. So we all can get the
You want to take a picture with it? We're going to leave. We're going to leave this. Yeah?
And yeah.
Hold on. Rony, take a picture of it.
Picture your brother.
Everybody swim in the water? Not him. He swims in the sand. Okay guys, so we are done with the beach. We're heading home now. It's about 2:30. So we'll see you guys. So we will see you guys once we get home.
And bye.